So it's the morning of our next video shoot. We're doing autumn today. It's a brilliant time of year with the colours, and we finally got some good weather. I had to stay in Priory in Wales overnight and leave really early. So I got up at 6 AM and came out into the car park, only to find someone had parked beautifully. You can see white car sticking out, and I'm behind those two white cars, and I'm standing here waiting for the person in the hotel to come and move their car. I've just arrived up in Leicestershire at the Dieu Priory near Colville, and as you can see behind me, some lovely colours already. The sun is not fully out yet, and so when I actually get into the woodland, I'm hoping we'll get some nice sunny spells. So I've come to the ruins of the Priory now. Really great location, and you can just see Mary Kate in her white dress about to do some shots in an old window, and it's again been really fun watching how they do it, setting up all these little shots. She's been running through archways and getting close to the stone walls and talking to the stones and fun things like that. So having a really good day and just hoping we'll get a bit more sun as the day goes on.
Yeah, that really works actually.
Let's go! It's day 2 of the autumn video shoot. We're back in the same woodlands at the Priory again. We're going to do some pick-up shots, shots that we didn't get properly yesterday, but today we've got beautiful sunshine all morning, so we should actually be able to get some better shots. It's just perfect for the woodland and lighting up the autumn leaves, so really excited to see what we can get today. So we're just getting ready to start shooting on day 2. We can do a bit more in the ruins with this amazing sunlight. So we've just finished day 2 of the autumn shoot, and it was absolutely brilliant. We had sun most of the day, got some amazing shots. We were in the river doing the like a fog machine, looked absolutely stunning, and literally 5 minutes after we finished shooting, the rain started and it got really heavy, and it's just amazing timing that we didn't have any rain all day and got it finished just in time. So now I'm going to head back home, and start of December we've got part 2 of the shoot, which is going to be interior inside a big country house.